All right, let's first get this out of the way. I've always been a traditional utility knife user. The kind that takes a trapezoid shaped blade that you basically flip end to end when one end is dull. My preference in my tool bags has always been this old school fixed blade. I just have one on either side and I go. And I know a lot of you guys are cringing right now. Here in the shop, I use the Milwaukee fastback knife, flip knife, and I've got one at pretty much every workstation throughout my shop. Pretty quick, easy change the blades out. Recently though, I've been using the OLFA LAX utility blade. And this bad boy, it has snap-off blades. So when they get dull, you just use a pair of pliers or something, snap them right off. And before I tell you my thoughts on the LAX, first, let me just tell you what it's not. It is not a box cutter. It's not designed to open boxes. Sure, any blade will open boxes. This is a serious tool and it's designed for real work on the job site. These knives are designed for cutting all kinds of applications and construction materials. And we've had this knife and its bigger brother, which is the XH-AL, on our job site in place of our utility knives, and we wanted to see how they worked. We cut everything from drywall to vent piping to caulking, flashing tapes, rigid insulation, Tyvec. I even used it to carve a little wood when I was fitting some base, some molding. It handled everything with ease. On many occasions, I even found myself extending the blade out even further, giving myself more edge to reach something or cut something that my utility knife cannot do. So OLFA made, or they have these new blades that they use, they're making them out of Japanese high quality carbon steel, tool steel. And they hone these edges to 59 degrees for an increased sharpness, but also a really nice, stronger blade. Not going to break as easy, and supposedly they're 25% sharper than their normal blades, which were already sharp. These blades, they're ridiculously sharp, and as a contractor, that's exactly what I want to see in a knife. I want a knife that stays sharp and can easily be refreshed, and by doing that, we just snap these blades right off. So I do want to say, when replacing the entire blade, when you get down to the last blade, there's no tools needed. You just have to flip a tab down on the bottom here, slide it out, and you can replace the blade. Much faster than taking the screw off of my utility blade. They even have snap-off hooks, like hook blades, which are great. So here's a question for you. What's this little tang, the dull tang on the bottom of the LAX? Well, it can be whatever you want it to be. It's a prying thing, or a prying tool. We use our utility knives sometimes to pry things, and inevitably we break the tips off the blades, right? This tang is useful for tucking carpet under base, opening paint cans. You could use it to remove, slotted screws from switch or outlet covers. Maybe you cleaning a control joint before caulking it, or cleaning some debris out of a joint. Pressing on painter's tape. You could go on and on what you could use this for. It works great, and it's nice to have. So the question is, how much money? This knife, it's a smidge under $10, which includes one blade. I found it online, but it's also at Home Depot right on the shelf. My lumberyard carries this as well. Replacement blades were harder to come by. Could not find those in the stores, but I did locate a 50-pack of these blades, the ultra sharp ones, the LBB blades, for just over $15. It's a no-brainer. Overall, my experience with the LAX utility blade has been positive. I'm Rob Robillard. We'll see you guys at the next review. Stay well.